guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing these. These are quick connect adapters for my hose. The hose is used for washing the car, obviously, and also, other things, washing other things. But a lot of times what I have to do is I have to connect the hose to my pressure washer and then disconnect it from the pressure washer and hook it onto the nozzle. It's a lot of work screwing and unscrewing, and also destroys the washer inside the hose nozzle. So what we're going to be doing today is installing these quick connects, which should make everything a lot more convenient. Alright guys, so this is my pressure washer, obviously. You've seen me do a review on it. So the first thing we're going to do is install one of these nozzles into here. Pretty straightforward to install. You just screw it right in, and then it'll tighten up with the pressure washer. It just clamps right in there, and then now that should be good for when I install this onto my hose. So when this is on my hose, all I have to do is plug it in. It's on there, and then when I want to take it off, like that. So it's simple, no need for leaks. No leaks, and it's just quick on and off. So if I wanted to replace this, I could just twist it off and take it out and replace it with a new one. But that's the first one that we're going to be installing. This one will go onto the hose end, obviously, and then another one will go onto one of my nozzles. That way I could easily disconnect if I wanted to. So we're going to put it onto the nozzle. So I'm going to bring that real quick. Alright, so here's my nozzle. We're going to be putting one of these quick disconnects or connects onto the nozzle itself. So apparently all I'm supposed to do is just screw it in and then tighten it a little bit with the wrench. And I think that should be good. Now we could just, when I want to, connect it, and I'll have a hose, and then disconnect. So now we're going to put this end onto my hose. So here's the hose end. So I'm just going to pop this in. Just goes in right here. And I think hand tight should be good enough. We'll just give it a quick little tighten right here for quick measure. Yeah, I think that's good. There you go. Now that's installed. Now I'm going to plug in basically my nozzle and see if it leaks. Alright, so moment of truth. Clicked in. Now we're going to turn on the hose. Alright, there you go guys. It's all pressurized. I don't see any leaks aside from the little bit of drips here and there, but that's quite normal. This nozzle is actually quite old. I should replace it, but it works. It still works for what I need it for. So there you go. And then shut off the hose. And then when I want to change it to my pressure washer, just like that. Very convenient. Whoa. That's it for this video, guys. I thought I'd make a quick video to show you guys how convenient it is to use quick connects on your hose. These cost me about $10 Canadian, so it's very cheap. You also have the option to pay a little bit more and get the brass ones, I guess. But I haven't had any issues with the plastic ones. I think they work fine. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope it helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.